is CBD?
CBD is an abbreviation for cannabidiol, one of over 85 phytocannabinoids that are naturally occurring in cannabis or hemp. CBD by itself has no psychoactive effects. There's no marijuana high because it is not marijuana or THC. CBD has been shown to have properties when ingested or applied topically that may benefit your health.
Where does That's Natural CBD come from?
CBD can be found in hemp, and That's Natural sources our proprietary genetics through small craft farmers throughout Colorado. We use the full plant profile to create a full-spectrum oil, rich in cannabinoids and terpenes. This creates the most pure and most potent product on the market.
Why is That's Natural CBD the best?
That's Natural has complete control over its entire supply chain. First of all, we personally know the craft farmers who grow the hemp for our products. Secondly, we control the plants after they are harvested, dried, and milled into a powdered product. Third, we only use CO2 extraction, which is the safest method for extracting the oil, as well as preserving the full plant profile, which includes micro-compounds like terpenes. This ensures a full-spectrum product. Lastly, we bottle our product in small batches with careful attention to heat and light, ensuring that we protect the phytonutrients in the CBD hemp oil as well as the other organic ingredients.
What do people use That's Natural CBD for?
We have customers all over the country that use our tincture and lotion products for a variety of ailments. From anxiety to arthritis and issues with inflammation, research has shown that CBD has strong anti-inflammatory properties, helps the body to not make the chemical that causes inflammation, has anti-convulsive properties, makes cancer cells commit suicide without killing other cells, and protects nerves by inhibiting the processes that damage nerves.
What is an endocannabinoid system?
Each of us has what is called an endocannabinoid system, which means we are basically pre-wired to be responsive to cannabinoids like CBD. The endocannabinoid system provides regulatory functions for the immune system, which is at the heart of many physiological functions. Your body creates endocannabinoids already naturally inside of your body. When you introduce plant-based cannabinoids like CBD, your body automatically knows how to use them to positively affect your health and well-being.
Is That's Natural CBD safe for pets?
CBD is non-psychoactive, and pets have an endocannabinoid system like us. Our unflavored tinctures are safe for pets. We even offer a 100 milligram product endorsed by Tucker, K9 for cannabidiol.
Is it legal?
Yes, our CBD comes from hemp that is grown and certified under the Colorado Department of Agriculture. This ensures that our product can ship across state lines and even internationally. With our company, you will find products that are pure, potent, and trusted. That's natural.